Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson 139. Boys and girls, today we're going to be learning about story problems with extra facts. I'm going to read some story problems. Some of the things I say in these story problems are not needed to get the answer. You will have to listen carefully and decide which facts you need to find your answer and which facts you don't need. The first time I read the problem, you decide which fact is not needed. Tina picked 3 roses, 4 red marigolds, and 2 yellow daisies. How many red flowers did Tina pick? The information that's not needed is the 2 yellow daisies. I'm going to read the story problem again. Tina picked 3 red roses, 4 red marigolds, and 2 yellow daisies. How many red flowers did Tina pick? The combination is 3 plus 4 equals 7. She picked 3 red roses and 4 red marigolds. The question only wanted to know how many red flowers did she pick. And once again, that was 3 roses and 4 red marigold. Let's take a look at our next story problem. Tanya went to spend the night at Grandma's. She brought 1 nightgown, 3 dolls, and 1 teddy bear. How many toys did Tanya bring? What is the fact that is not needed? The fact that's not needed is the 1 nightgown. I'm going to read the story problem again. Tanya went to spend the night at Grandma's. She brought 1 nightgown, 3 dolls, 1 teddy bear. How many toys did Tanya bring? The combination is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Listen to the next story problem. Alex saw 3 butterflies, 5 ladybugs, and 2 frogs. How many insects did Alex see? What fact is not needed? The 2 frogs are not needed. I'm going to read the story problem again, and you have to figure out the answer. Alex saw 3 butterflies, 5 ladybugs, and 2 frogs. How many insects did Alex see? The answer is 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's take a look at another story problem. Spotty chased 4 cats, 1 ball, and 3 squirrels. How many animals did Spotty chase? Which fact is not needed? One ball is not needed. I'm going to read the story problem again. Spotty chased 4 cats, 1 ball, and 3 squirrels. How many animals did Spotty chase? The answer is 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our board. We are going to be comparing our board numbers, which one is greater than and which one is less than. Take a look. We have the number 142 and 157. Is 142 greater than or less than 157? Remember, the open side of the symbol needs to face the greatest value. So 157 is greater. The mouth of the symbol, the open part of the symbol, is facing the largest number. So we read this: 142 is less than 157. All right, let's take a look at the next problem. You have 179, 197. Is it greater than or less than? $179 is less than 197. Let's take a look at the next problem. We're comparing 161 and 149. 161 is greater than 149. All right, let's take a look at these problems on this side. You have the number 234 and 134. Which sign do I use? The greater than sign or the less than sign? $234 is greater than 134. Let's take a look at the next one. 201 is greater than or less than 198. 201 is greater than 198. Let's take a look at the next problem. 123 is greater than or less than 321. 123 is less than 321. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for math today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.